Hello, this video explains you can easily set a live wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy phone using any video from your gallery. It is a simple customization trick that makes your home screen more lively, personal and visually attractive without needing any extra apps. To start, long press on an empty area of your home screen until the options appear. Tap on Wallpaper and Style, then choose Change Wallpapers. From there, select Gallery and browse your videos. Pick the video you want and tap Done. If the video is too long, use the Trim tool and adjust the sliders carefully to select the best part of the clip before continuing. Next, decide where you want the live wallpaper to appear, either on the home screen, lock screen, or both. Tap Done in the top right corner to apply it. Your Samsung phone will then convert the video into a smooth animated wallpaper that plays whenever you unlock your device. For best results, choose a high-quality short video to avoid lag and save battery. This feature is an easy way to give your phone a fresh and modern look without much effort. You can change it anytime and try different videos depending on your mood, making your Samsung Galaxy experience more fun and personal every day. Additionally, you can also manage performance settings if your device feels slightly slower after applying live wallpapers. Simply switch back to a static image whenever needed. Samsung also allows you to customize wallpaper effects, brightness, and screen transitions for a smoother visual experience. This makes it easy even for beginners to control how their phone looks and feels without any technical knowledge required. Pretend your phone feels more alive and enjoyable every time you use it naturally and smoothly.